If you're looking to stop recurring charges on DoorDash, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you cancel any unwanted recurring payments. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu option in the top corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Manage Subscriptions. In the Account Settings, look for the Subscriptions or Manage Subscriptions option. This will show you any active subscriptions linked to your account. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Find the subscription you wish to cancel. Tap on it to view the details and options available for the subscription. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any recurring charges on DoorDash. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to DoorDash customer support.